What's up, guys? I'm Randall from Mod Effects, and welcome to my channel. This is a place where we'll get a little bit more personal, show you all my own vehicle, Super Blue 392, as we perform a variety of modifications to it, take it to different meets, car shows, and things of that nature. So without further ado, we're going to go for a ride and show you all what it's all about. Now that we're rolling, we'll go over a few things about me, then we'll get to the car. First off, I'm a native Houstonian, been here all my life, born and raised. Definitely love my city. This is my third Charger. Came into the Mopar world back in 2010 when I bought a 2007 Dodge Charger. It was an RT with the 5.7 Hemi. Then I upgraded or got a newer 5.7 Hemi. It was a 2013 RT Road and Track with the Road and Track package. And then now I have my current vehicle, which we'll get to in a second. When I got the car, it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I saw the movie Street Kings, and I always wanted a black-on-black Charger. You know, I always watched the movie, paused the scene where Keanu Reeves would drive the Charger, and you know, that was kind of my motivation to finally get one. And so, when the opportunity presented itself, went to the dealership, went home with a new car, and the rest was history. Joined Space City LX. It's a local car club that we have in Houston, Space City LX Modded Mopar. And first day out, I know my exhaust is kind of loud, excuse me. But the first meet that I went to, I ended up meeting Jose. Jose is the other half of Mod Effects, and you know, we both have a passion for modifying cars, working on vehicles, you know, and kind of inspiring others and allowing others to enjoy the benefits of having modified rides that are, you know, personalized to the way their owners would want them to be. And so, you know, we ended up starting Mod Effects, and that kind of brings us to the future. And that was about maybe about 6-7 years ago. And so, other than that, definitely been enjoying my current vehicle, 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. It's a Super B, so that means that it, you know, doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but it definitely goes. And that's what the benefits of having that Super B is that, you know, you don't have to worry about a lot of things going wrong. You can just kind of drive the vehicle, enjoy it, and you know, do what it was made to do. So we'll go ahead and pull over, you know, do a quick walk around, and we'll go from there. All right, so this is my Charger. It did rain on the way over here, so the car is a little dirty, but you know, once again, it's a 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8, aftermarket true fiber carbon fiber hood, painted with the exposed carbon in the middle. We have the custom headlights, carbon fiber and vinyl, give us a nice little touch. Belgian wheels, AccuAir air suspension. Of course, the color is the custom color Super Blue. This mod usually gets most people. It's going to be the custom gas cap with the B on there. Have the Super Blue vinyl. This is a new mod, one of the first vehicles to have this mod actually. We have the Lux Auto Concepts taillight tint in the honeycomb finish, just released Light Wrap FX, and so definitely it's a great product. We're gonna do a review on it, but you know, I want to let you guys see it first. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick walk around, quick introduction to the channel, and as always, you know, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you again soon.